Chitchat English.
What is it?
It's a book.
What's this?
This is a pen.
What's that?
That is a chair.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
What's your last name?
My last name is Smith.
What's his name?
His name is John.
What's her name?
Her name is Emily.
What day is it today?
Today is Friday.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's the date?
The date is July 16th.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
What is she doing?
She's studying for her exam.
What are they doing?
They're playing soccer.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a cup of coffee.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
What page are we on?
We're on page 45.
I am ready. May I start it?
Yes, go ahead and start.
Can I go out?
Sure, but please be quick.
Can I answer the question?
Yes, please do.
Can I switch off the lights?
Yes, you can.
Teacher, please can you repeat again?
Of course, I'll repeat it for you.
Can I open the window?
Yes, you may.
Can we pack our things now?
Yes, you can start packing.
May I join the class?
Yes, you're welcome to join us.
What is the homework?
The homework is to read chapter 4 and answer the questions.
Do we have to write this down?
Yes, please write it down.
Sorry for being late.
That's all right. Please take your seat.
May I close the window?
Yes, you may.
Can I go to the board?
Yes, you can.
Can I come in?
Yes, please come in.
Can you explain it once more, please?
Sure, I'll explain it again.
May I go out, please?
Yes, you may.
Is this right?
Yes, that's correct.
Is this correct?
Yes, it is.
Can you speak louder, please?
Yes, I will speak louder.
Which book?
The book we are using is English Grammar in Use.
Can you explain that again?
Sure, I'll explain it again.
When is the exam?
The exam is next Friday.
When is the homework for?
The homework is due on Monday.
I have done this.
Great job!
Can I go to the toilet?
Yes, you can go to the toilet.
Can I pull up the blinds?
Yes, you can.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, I'd be happy to help.
I am sorry. I did not hear.
No problem, I'll repeat it for you.
You have too many books.
I know, I need to organize them.
I will buy this thing too.
Great choice.
I want to buy a house.
That's a big decision.
Go straight ahead.
Thank you, I will.
I lost my mobile.
That's unfortunate, I hope you find it.
I'm going to leave.
All right, take care.
I'm busy just now.
I understand, we'll talk later.
They're very busy.
Yes, they are.
Please sit down.
Thank you, I will.
I'm a stranger here.
No worries, I can help you.
My car isn't working.
That's frustrating, I hope it gets fixed soon.
Sorry, it's all my fault.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
Nobody is helping us.
Let's ask someone else.
I'll be busy tomorrow.
All right, we'll plan for another day.
A strong wind is blowing.
Yes, it feels quite powerful.
The car is very expensive.
Yes, it's out of my budget.
The key is on top of the table.
Thank you, I'll get it.